Empire. Look at what I have. Hey, who will give you this size of POMO? Clean, both inward and outward. What we POMO shemo? See what I'm selling? Farm, let them see it. Let them see it. And we are capable of supplying you 1,200 pieces, 1,000 pieces, 1 million pieces, 1 tons, 1 trailers, and so on and so forth. Look at the sizes of the POMO that we are giving you. Do you see it? Yes. Send your DM now. Send your DM to place your order. Send your DM. See. Oh no, where will you get this size? Where will you get this? Who will give you? It's only 30 piece paper. When we POMO shemo, look at this size. Zoom it. Let them see. Let them see. What shemo and see the size. You can see I'm picking here. So that maybe I put it. No. Look at the sizes. Look at what I'm giving you. Look at the thickness. Look at the dryness. Which country you there? UK, Canada, South Africa, you United, anywhere at all, we will deliver. And my family people in Cairo and Egypt, yes, we are here for you. For you, yes, any country, we are going to. You know the film. You know they see what I'm showing you. See what I'm showing you. See freshness. See thickness. See size. See size. If you don't put body, don't join now. Come on, body, don't join. You understand? Even Shisha must get to that. You know if they do kitty. Come they eat nonsense. Let's compete. Even Shisha must eat healthy. But in Shisha, you have to eat freshness. You don't need to all do to work and to all do to eat. Because to share any. We are already washed and dry. You just soak and eat. Soak and eat. Go inside a goosey, a 4 euro. A big kind. After reading, and so on and so forth.